everybody. Hello. It's always a pleasure to have you in my kitchen here. This is Monique Pakapala. Today we're having something special for you. We're having Akra. Alright? So I promised I would come with the Akra for you. This is it. Now this is the malenga. You see what it looks like? This is a wood vegetable. See that? It's called malenga. So the malenga has a lot of vitamins. Vitamin B, potassium. It's good for your skin, your hair. It lowers your blood sugar and blood pressure. It's according to the National Institute of Health. So it's something that's very good for your health. What we're gonna do, we're gonna wash this off and then peel it, but we're not gonna put the knife too deep inside, okay? Because this has a lot of fiber in it and vitamins, and most of it is under the skin. So we're gonna peel it lightly. We're gonna remove the skin. You see that? If you scratch it, you can see it. You see? So that means when you remove the peel, you don't have to. When you remove the skin, you don't have to do too much. Just lightly. See that? Okay. All right. So that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna go ahead and clean it, and then I'm gonna grate it with this one. This part, the thin part of the grater, right here. I'm gonna use the thin part to grate it. Then I'm gonna add my spice in it. I'm gonna come back and show you how I do it. Okay? All right. Let's have some fun. Okay? Okay, remember the spice? If you didn't see the video yet, I encourage you to go back and watch it, how to make your own spice. This is it right here. And I'm gonna put some in there. Okay, I'm gonna put some in there. So, I'm gonna put some Lorry's. Okay, I put some Lorry's. The Lorry's already has salt. So I'm not gonna add any more salt. That's plenty of salt, okay? I'm gonna do this. I'm gonna stir it. Okay, with the spice. I don't have to put anything else, garlic in it, because this spice, remember how we made it? Got a lot of it in there. No more garlics, no more anything. The spice is good. Okay, and then remember pickles? Those of you didn't see it, go watch it. How to make your own pickles. So I'm not gonna put the pickles in it because I'm gonna eat it with the pickles. So I'm gonna put just the juice that's in it. Maybe 1 or 2 spoons of it. Okay? 1 or 2 spoons. Okay. Because I'm gonna use the pickles I'm gonna eat the pickles with it, so I don't have to put more. But you don't have to put the pickles. Okay? If you don't have the spice, you can add your own spice like powder, onion powder, garlic powder, or any spice that you like. You put it in it, okay? It's like you are cooking meat, okay? And then this is what it looks like when it's done. Okay, this is what it looks like right here. Okay, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave it sit there for as long as I can, so I can let the spice sit in it, and then I'll come back and fry it. Okay, that's what we're gonna do now. Okay, so let's go. All right, we'll put some oil. I'm gonna let it really hot. Let me win the phone. I don't know what's going on with my remote now. My remote is not working. So when the oil is hot, you're gonna put a spoon at a time. You don't want it too big or too small. Okay? You fix it. This is how you put it. Not too big, not too small. Okay? Alright? So, you see how it turned brown? When it starts turning brown, you turn them around. See? You turn them around one by one. Smells so good, guys. See? You turn them one by one. And you don't want the stove to be too high or too low. You have to watch your stove. Okay? Not too high, not too low. And then you turn them around. When they turn brown, you turn them around. Okay? Like this. And like this. Alright? Alright. Smells so good. Pickles on it. See? It's so good, like. Do you see that? It's nice and crispy, see? That so crispy. Put a little bit of pickles on it. You don't have to have pickles. Remember, pickles is hot. I put a little bit of pickles on it. right, guys, try it. It's so delicious, trust me. Try it and comment down below how did you like it. Okay? It's so delicious. You don't have to have the pickles. That's extra, you know. If you don't like hot stuff, you don't have to have the pickles. So, all right, guys. See you next time. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, share, like, comment, and subscribe. All right. I hope you like it. It's very, very delicious. It's very good. Like I said, you don't have to add the pickles if you don't like hot stuff. So, it's still good without the pickles, but I like the pickles on it. So, try it. All right. Let me know how did you like it, okay? I'll see you next time. Bye. Bye.